Today we're working on a Maytag top load washer. The customer complaint is that it turns on, you can select the cycles, but however when you push start, nothing happens. And the issue we found during diagnostics was a worn out motor capacitor. So the old one has no readings at all. So we got a brand new one, which we'll be putting into that spot right there, and then we'll retest it. And this is the new capacitor that's installed. This is your gear case right here. That's your shifter, and that's your drain motor. So educational video here for you guys. Amazing. So as we can hear in the video, washer's back to operating again. It's done its filling, it's washing, and again this was the old capacitor that we changed. New one's in there and back in business.